was remember looking at the skyline, the Toronto skyline, and I'm like, there's so many people out there, yet I cannot talk to anybody. It just felt so empty.
It was that feeling that prompted software engineer Spurya Jaggi to create Lychee, an app to help Torontonians make social connections in a post-pandemic world. Jaggi, who graduated from Waterloo and found a full-time job in San Francisco, quit it all to focus on creating her app.
With COVID, a lot of us went remote. And because of the remote lifestyle, our work went remote, our school is remote, we are losing the sense of community. I really wanted something that we can find it easier to meet people, local communities easily in real life.
Jaggi says what sets Lychee apart is its spontaneity and emphasis on in-person meetings. When users open it up on their phones, they can select from a number of meetups happening in their area, usually at coffee shops, bars, or other public spaces. And because it's being created amid a pandemic,
very important information such as are they vaccinated or not is pretty crucial, so we would have that.
It's a unique response to troubled times, using technology to help combat what technology has created. But it's one of many ways young adults are cutting through what the pandemic has amplified, feelings of social isolation and loneliness.
We rely on those social connections to kind of help us get through. They insulate us through the bad times of life. And so for people who don't have those close connections, then they feel really alone and isolated when negative events happen.
According to a 2021 poll from the American Psychiatric Association, the majority, nearly 2/3 of people working from home reported feeling isolated or lonely, and younger adults were more likely to report feeling this way compared to adults over 45. Psychology professor Steve Jordan says it's important to make an active effort to engage in social activities, even if you feel a bit uncomfortable doing so.
This is a lot of especially young people had some level of social anxiety even pre-pandemic. They found it difficult to just go and meet somebody new. If you think of a job interview, being able to sit down with 5 strangers and interact with them in a professional, human, intelligent way is the key to success.
Jaggi's app is still in development, but she plans on launching it in the next few weeks. For a link with more information, head to our website, citynews.ca/extras. In Toronto, Erica Natividad, City News.